It's the perfect day here at Coco Cay. I can confirm there's been no fighting and every photo has perfect lighting. Now I know no one likes to hear a bunch of brags, but this beach has beanbags. This just in, we found a splash pad and a kid's water slide. They have bigger ones too if you're tall enough to ride. There's also a ropes course, a rock wall, and a wave pool. A private air show too. Coco Cay is cool. Breaking news, my nephew is on the run. Here's my sister with the football hold. Isn't toddler parenting fun? It's time now to head back to the ship. Our thoughts and prayers are for these straps not to rip. Crown's Edge was a blast with an unbelievable view. Now it's time for more unlimited ice cream. Back to you.